Don't buy stupid LED props. They're fiddly, they're expensive, you've got to put batteries in them, and when you crash, you'll break them. No, make some lit props, and I'm going to show you how. Yes, these will cost you next to nothing to make, and most importantly, you can use your own favourite props. You're not stuck with what they make. There's no batteries to change, and you're gonna crash in the dark, aren't you? So if you bend these, you can just whack on some new ones and you're away. So Andy, you say, how do you make them? Well, I'll show you now. At least I assume it's the lid that's in here. Let's get this open. World's most powerful fluorescent or luminous pigment. Wow, documentation's really bright. Look at that. That's our packing. Oh, here it is. That's a paper. So this is the little powder. And I've got some base to make up the paint with. Let's give it a go. Stick it on a light. Again, just for a second. Let's just see if it charges up straight away. There we go. Woo. Oh wow! Look at that.
Well, it shines. The principle here is ridiculously simple. You just paint the underside of your props with lit and shine LEDs from the arms of your quad onto them. For best results, apply a white undercoat first. This will give you a better glow as it reflects light back out from the surface of the prop. I've used water-based gloss here. It's hard wearing and dries really quickly. I've given the surface a key with some fine abrasive paper to help the paint stick.
So I'm just putting on this second coat now, and it does make a real difference. You don't need much paint. Yeah, I think these white props look quite good actually. I don't know if they'll stay white though from flying covered in mud and bits of grass and cow poo and stuff. That's the last one. Look, see, it's still quite streaky there, so it definitely does do the second coat. And that's going to really reflect back the light from your lit paint. Otherwise the black of the props will just absorb all the light going in, but also the light coming out as well. There you go, let's get it right. Nice blade. There we go. And this water-based gloss dries really fast as well. Of course you can clean the brushes out easily just under the tap. There you go, that's not too bad, is it?
After that, just paint the undersides with a couple of light coats of lit and let it dry. I did a quick test with some blue LEDs that I had hanging around to see if they charged the props.
See that? That's cool, that's pretty cool.
Now you'll need a light source. The colour of the LEDs does matter somewhat. For the green lit, all you need to remember is that for best results, you'll want a light source with a shorter wavelength than the green that the pigment gives off. Blue LEDs are pretty cheap and don't drown out the green glow so much. For even better results, you could try UV LEDs, which have a less visible light, but charge the lit very strongly indeed. I've made some UV strips which I'll talk about in the next video, and maybe I'll make some more if anybody wants some. Well, the initial tests seem good, so let's take it out to the field.
To begin with, I thought maybe I could make some money out of these, but I soon realised that as soon as the word was out, every Tom, Dick and Harry was going to be making these. So this is my gift to the community. So HQ Props, Ethics, the rest of them, go talk to the king of colour, Stuart Semple, and buy a barrel of lit and mix it in with polycarbonate. Tell him I sent you, it'll confuse the hell out of him, he's no idea who I am. Well, if you found this interesting, like, subscribe, comment, all the rest of it. Tell us if you made some lit props. How'd you get on? In the meantime, take care, fly safe, see you next time.